to all our clients to be here. The main objective today is introduce to everybody the facilities from Manta Hospital Center. We are working together with Manta Hospital Center to include the medical staff, English speaker doctors, include facilities for emergencies, intensive care unit. Then right now, all in the network. That will be an advantage because basically you will be able to use the facilities with co-pays. You will be able to planify surgeries and also manage reimbursement if it's necessary for ambulatory emergencies. But our main objective is introduced to the medical staff from Manta Hospital Center, and also, as you know, annual preventive checkups not are covered from the insurance companies. Then, working together with Manta Hospital Center, we designed a very interesting option for annual preventive checkups. If you go in the network, basically that not will happen because the insurance company have an agreement with the clinic in all the medical expenses that you may need. Okay? Minimize the paperwork. The doctors, okay, has Dr. Mabel, has Dr. Vallejo, that is here with us, that both normally gave us all the paperwork that we need. But sometimes doctors not will give us perfect paperwork. They can tell us, come next week, come in 2 weeks, and never are available. Then, in the network also, we will need more paperwork to manage your medical needs. Now, again, talking about risks going out of the network, higher expenses, reimbursement challenge. As I tell you, you may need difficult to get the reimbursement forms, the paperwork, the test results, the invoices, because right now, for example, everything is electronic. And the pharmacy can tell you the invoice is in your email. And if they got the wrong email address, you never will get it. You need to go back to the pharmacy, go back to the doctor, and manage all those challenges. Excess of medical fees, why you will charge me that? How much is the proper cost for my surgery? Could you adjust to this? And then you not will have overprices. Thinking about the benefits that normally are included on the policies, health insurance policies for women, pap test and mammogram are included always in all the insurance companies. Okay. Prostatic tests are included also, but annual preventive checkups not are included. If I go to see my doctor and the doctor told me, okay, everything is good with you, you can go home, the insurance company not will cover that. That's the reason why working in alliance with the Manta Hospital Center, we designed the new and available right now, the Rivera, maxillofacial surgeon, Cesar Muñoz, physical rehabilitation, Juan Naranjo, and digestive and bariatric surgeon, Danny Cantos, English speaker doctors, and also I want to announce that Diego, the manager from the clinic, already told me that they will have a facilitator that is Marcela Moreira. She is also English speaker and will be permanently working here in Manta Hospital Center to help you to find your doctor, to explain you where is any type of need that you may have here inside the Manta Hospital Center. Then you will see that Manta Hospital Center are working to give a better service to the expat community, working together with the insurance broker, open to work with the insurance companies, because normally you need to make adjustments to work with the insurance companies, but they already agreed to do everything to include all those facilities available for you and your health insurance contracts. This is what I can tell you. Imagine. Tell us how is everything with
Hi everyone. I just want to say that I have used this facility and I'm really quite impressed. It's clean, people are very friendly, nice. Again, I'm going to go back to clean with the latest equipment as well. Sadly, I've had the experience of going to 2 other facilities that are commonly used in this city, and and I just like to say I would need to take my dogs there. The experience has not been favorable at all. I'm diabetic, so my medications is really quite important, and I'm usually very on top of things. And at these other facilities, they wouldn't even figure out the simple math in terms of the number of pills I require per month. So I have not had that problem here. I've used the cardiologist here just recently. I've used the orthopedist, tennis elbow, shoulder, Achilles heels, as well as the physiotherapy. There is somebody, if you do need somebody who speaks English in physiotherapy downstairs, his name's Andre, and they've been really good. So just wanted to share that with you, and hope it helps. Good luck.
Okay, well, it's a good question. At the moment that you have the doctor appointment with Dr. Valeria, basically you will be talking with her and explain all your conditions, you know, and then your conditions will be registered under your clinic history.
Well, you have to start again, in other words.
Again,
But you can't get that information from CIME or from...
we can get a copy of that, because to CIME we can request a copy of the clinic history and ask.
CT scans, X-rays, dental X-rays, and things like that. Not only we have, of course, many clients have used it. I personally used it myself. I did an MRI, I did a CT, and it literally just cost me a few $100. That was before my insurance even kicked in. I think you have some English-speaking doctors and physicians out there as well who could read the results. It came out absolutely incredible. My personal story was I had an injury literally in the morning. At about 7:30 in the morning. By 8:30, I was already in Monte Mine. They were already scheduling me for the MRI. By 5 o'clock, I had already had my results. So it was an incredible turnaround versus what we would get back home.
Thank you, Ryan. Thank you.
Can I say one more thing?
Sorry, yes. Oh.
I just want to give a shout out to Stephanie. I
Oh.
want you all to know that this girl lady right here will take care of you no matter what.
Thank you, Bob. Don also said the same. Contact to Stephanie. Contact to Stephanie. Well, all the Blue Box team are available for you and at your service, sir. Please.
I have a small question. In here, they don't have, they have this one and this one for Blue Box, but they don't have one here for the hospital. Because I got lost coming here. I didn't even know it was here. I thought it was at the other big hospital.
Oh.
And I didn't know the address here, and I got lost. So I'm wondering, does the hospital here have, you know,
Card?
Yeah?
Well, here we have a QR code. When you read it, then we'll open a PDF with all the information, but your suggestions are welcome. And I will also suggest to include some cards from Manta Hospital.
To work with Blue Box. In Carlos, despite you are not always in Manta, every time I have requested anything from you, you have been very responsive, and for me that's very important when we are doing healthcare. I am from Manabi, and I understand the struggles of the facilities and the conditions of the standards we have not only in Ecuador but in the province, and Chone is worse than Manta. So I appreciate to have not only professional people to work with the dignity we deserve as human beings. When we are sick, that level needs to be raised. And I work by myself. I am not affiliated to many people because I require standards that sometimes are hard to maintain. And for those who know my personal story, then you should know that I have been struggling with personal and loss and mental health issues. And thanks to you, my patients, and my professional and co-workers and colleagues, I've been able to survive that, and thank you for making me work my degree out. So I'm very happy to be back in business. Thank you, Don, for being part of that recovery. And I second what you said about the universal story. That is a legal issue in Ecuador. We still are working on having access to all the information of patients. If you go to a public facility, if you go to a private facility, You have to go on and on, over and over, and it's like a broken list. That is exhausting as a patient. It's exhausting as a medical practitioner. And hopefully that is a future we can hope soon to have that information all together. What we struggle with that, and I understand Dr. Valeria that is in the system, is more used to it. For me, it's exhausting as a physician. I cannot even imagine how it works for a patient that I don't understand why we're for patients when we're sick, when we don't have patients. And the system is awful. The health system is broken, is corrupt, is overpriced, and the law is not in our side. So thanks to people trying to do good things. So thanks to people trying to do good things. I think we could set a standard. When I requested Steffi, what are the requirements I need to be affiliated with you guys? I like that I saw that you have a fee, a tariff list. And I like that because I don't like people being taken advantage of. And being married to an American, I see that whenever they see you white people, they just see dollar signs. And that is corruption, that is unethical, that is not medicine, that is business, completely away from what we're trying to do as doctors. So I'm very happy to be here and to listen what I'm listening, and not only to know other physicians that we can collaborate and we can work as a team, because we cannot work with one patient. You guys have many history, you have comorbidities, you have many medications, some of you are over-medicated, and we need to work together, not only as doctors, but as human beings, to make your living in Ecuador better, but also to make our quality of life better. So that's what I want to do.
Thank you.